Hello my dear pattern friends, thank you for following me, and I can't stop sharing the most important information and the most demanding techniques with you. I always start preparation and dry all the hair, so the hair should be dry. I use curling iron 32mm. I just warm up curling the first strand. It is just regular curling technique. I think you call it like banana technique. Better use stronger one, but at that time I just didn't have it, so I just have that Aussies, so that's fine. Better than nothing. But for natural, for heavy, thick hair, I recommend to use fix the curls with a clip. Now we're going to the back area, and here I don't like to work with small strands and curl all the length. Always pay attention to the roots, because near the roots the hair is thicker than in the ends. I brush all the hair and the direction is to the back. Just grab all the hair and comb out everything out of them. Next step, I use a texture spray from Aussies. It's number 2 for the roots, because then we need to take a look what we have in the front. So here you can see this is the first option, all the hair is back, or the second option we can and then put all the hair to the front and fix with because otherwise you will have just one small curl. You need to and fix. Here the fringe, we can move it a little bit forward. We can, for example, close the eye. That was just demo video of the detailed lesson from Patreon, and you can join my online education right now. It starts just from $20 per month. The link is under this video. See you there.